Well, Equifax shares tumbled again today. The credit service company is really reeling since this massive data breach that potentially affects 143 million people. And now we're hearing several senators are getting involved. They want to know exactly what these executives who dumped their shares knew. Were they aware of this breach? Joining me now to discuss, Deneen Borelli, a Fox News contributor, and back with me as well, Ford O'Connell. Let me start with you, Deneen. Big business behaving badly. This is the kind of thing that really angers people. You had a data breach, 143 million people, and it goes 40 days without anybody knowing about it. Meanwhile, insiders, top executives, sell $2 million worth of stock. What the heck is going on here?
Yeah, this is crazy. Well, welcome back, first of all. This is a classic textbook example of poor mismanagement with this company. You had these CEOs, the suits, I call them the suits. They were more concerned about their potential loss once this news got out, in terms of being more concerned about protecting their consumers. Possibly 143 million people. Do you know how hard it's going to be for some individuals to clear up their credit record if there is fraud that happens with their name, their Social Security, and all the other information?
Ford, they're saying those sales were coincidental, but I will tell you, since then, Equifax put out a website that had a fine print in there as a customer. Hey, come here, we'll help you resolve this. But in the fine print, you gave up your right to sue the company. I mean, give me a break. You know, what the heck is going on? Since then, they said, oh, that was a mistake. Again, another mistake?
Well, this is a monstrous screw-up, and now they're busy protecting their backside. I think the biggest problem here is when you have the potential leak of 143 million people's private, sensitive information, their online footprint, from Social Security to driver's licenses. They don't know how to fix the problem, Charles. Forget who's to blame and who could go to jail at the end of this and who's wrong in corporate America. But the problem is, how do you fix the problem and how do you protect the customer? Because as we know, Charles, most people in America only have enough money to make it for 3 months, and they're living month to month. And essentially, you are screwing the customer, the credit card companies. They don't know what to do. You could wind up really hurting a lot of people who are living from month to month.
I do want to point out one other thing, and I'm going to ask you what Ford just mentioned, but folks should also understand that there's a way you can bet on stocks going down. It's called buying puts. There were 13 puts a day trading on this stock. On August 21st, 2,600 puts traded. Someone bought that many. It was a huge bet that this stock was going to collapse. I pray the SEC finds out who this was. In the meantime, to Ford's point, the Senator Sherrod Brown just moments ago, there was a banking hearing already scheduled for tomorrow, and they're going to use that, they say, to try to find a better way to protect customers' data information. That is a central question here. I've always thought that big business wanted government to do it and government wanted big business to do it, and caught in the middle were consumers who were getting ripped off all the time.
I think government should stay out of it. I think it's up to the businesses, the corporations, for the shareholders and the board to hold these individuals accountable, and that is what I think the pushback should be. But I don't see how government should get involved. I think government has enough to worry about right now that they're already not doing for America.
Do you trust big business to govern itself, though, in this particular case?
Well, but that's just it. They need customers. So Equifax is going to lose customers. They're going to lose clients potentially because people are concerned about the safety of their private information. So people are going to be reluctant to go to. There are other businesses to go to for the services that they're offering.
All right, guys. Thank you both very, very much.